Once upon a time, in a village of Jaleelpur, there lived a notorious bandit. While narrating his story, he said, "One time, I was on my way to commit a robbery with my companions. On the way, we decided to rest for a while at a place where we saw 3 date palm trees. Two of them were laden with fruit, while the third one was completely dry. A small bird kept coming back repeatedly, picking fresh dates from the fruit-bearing trees and carrying them to the dry tree. Watching this, we were greatly astonished. I observed the bird taking dates to the dry tree 10 times, and curiosity arose in me to know what was so special about that tree that the bird kept bringing fruit to it. With this thought, I decided to climb the tree and see for myself what was there. When I reached the top, what I saw left me utterly shocked. A blind snake lay there with its mouth open. The bird was feeding it the fresh dates. Seeing this, I was so overwhelmed with emotions that I began to weep. I said, "Oh my Lord, even a snake, which has been commanded to be killed, is still being provided for by you after becoming blind. You have appointed a bird to feed it. So how can I, a servant who acknowledges your oneness, ever despair of your mercy? How can I continue to harm others by robbing them of their wealth?" Thinking this, I immediately broke my sword, the very weapon I use for looting people. When I returned to my companions, they saw my broken sword and tears in my eyes and asked, "What has happened to you?" I replied, "I have repented before my Lord. Now, I only await his forgiveness." Then, I narrated the entire incident to them, which deeply moved their hearts. Seeking forgiveness from God, they also broke their swords and left all the looted goods behind, returning to their homes.